In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create rules in Gmail to filter your emails effectively. We all know how overwhelming a cluttered inbox can be, and setting up filters can really help manage the chaos, allowing you to focus on what truly matters. So, let's dive in and work towards that organized mailbox you've always wanted. First, you'll want to open your browser and navigate to your Gmail account. Once you're there, look in the top right corner and locate the gear icon. This is your settings menu. When you click on it, a drop-down menu should appear. You want to select See All Settings. This will take you to a new page with various tabs. Here, you'll find a tab named Filters and Blocked Addresses. Go ahead and click on that. This section is where all the magic happens in terms of managing your incoming emails. Look for the option that says Create a New Filter. You'll find it near the top, and once you click on it, a box will pop up. Now, this pop-up box is where you're going to set up the conditions for your filter. You can filter emails by specific parameters like the sender's address, the subject line, or even keywords contained in the body of the email. For instance, if you want to filter out newsletters, you could put the sender's email address in the From field. After filling in your desired criteria, hit Create Filter. Another window will pop up showing several options on how you want your filtered emails to be handled. Here, you have choices like skipping the inbox, marking as read, or automatically moving them to a specific label or folder. You can also use this opportunity to apply labels to help categorize your emails. If you've already set up labels, it's a simple matter of selecting the appropriate one from the drop-down menu. Make sure to double-check everything. Once you're satisfied with your selections, finalize it by clicking Create Filter. Now, if you want these rules to apply to existing emails that meet the criteria, remember to check the box that asks if you want to apply the filter to matching conversations. And that's it. You've successfully created a filter to manage your Gmail more efficiently. Remember, you can edit or delete these filters anytime by returning to the Filters and Blocked Addresses tab. Revisiting and revising your filters helps keep your email organization in check as your correspondence changes over time. Thanks for watching, and be sure to implement these tools to declutter your inbox today. Feel free to leave any questions in the comments if you need more help. Happy organizing!